What's up? Let's take a walk. This is a traditional market or bazaar, as it says. A lot of beautiful handicrafts, artworks, and the bicycle town, which is Yazd. Beautiful place to spend the day and buy a lot of souvenirs and stuff. I'll try to introduce some of them as I know them. I had to Google some of them because I didn't even know them in English or stuff. This is mostly copper work. This, I don't know, it has socks and stuff. Not related. This was a cafe. Cool souvenirs. This was rugs and blankets and stuff, Persian carpets. And this is a atrium, as they call it in the architecture, I think. And this is a water cistern something, and a gang in front of it. I didn't want to disturb them, so that's all I could get. This one is again copper and silver works, and this is sofal or earthenware, and drawing on the earthenware. Leather. This was the same as earthenware, and this was drawings and art on wood, if I'm right. This is, you will see another store of it in the continuous, and I will introduce you properly. Look at the doors, wooden doors, beautiful. Yeah, this was what I told you. The work is called Turetics or something like that. It's on different kinds of metal, and that's what they deliver. This was same before, and this is a wood shop, as you could hear it from a mile away. And that is the end of the path. This was beside the Jameh Mosque, which you saw in the earlier video, and that's it. Thanks for the support. Good night.